APACHE Fiber use a multi-mode fiber optic cable to detect intrusions on fences. It is composed of an outer jacket and two fiber cores inside. These fiber cores are free to move to detect vibrations on the fence. The fiber optic cable require very accurate attention on manipulation, installation, and termination. Manipulating the fiber optic cable is a crucial step for a proper installation. You must respect some best practices to ensure a successful operation. When despooling, avoid twisting the cable to prevent fiber stress. Unreel the cable off the spool instead of spinning it over the edge. Pay attention not pulling too strongly the cable, as excessive stress could damage the fiber core. Pay attention not bending excessively the cable. You must respect a minimal 20 cm bending radius for APACHE fiber cable. Excessive bending will generate signal loss, impacting the detection capability of the system. APACHE controller is installed inside the nearest field equipment cabinet. It has a transmitter and a receiver connector for the fiber cable. The fiber cable is installed from the controller in a loop configuration, going back and forth along the fence zone. The cable is secured to the fence with cable ties every 20 centimeters. It is recommended to install a repair loop of 1 meter approximately every 50 meters. Everywhere possible, it is recommended to install the fiber cable between the post and the fence, so as the fiber cable remain as straight as possible. With rigid fence, it may not be possible to install the cable between the post and the fence. In this case, install the cable in front of the post, but take care of not making any sharp bending. At each corner, make a vertical loop of 1 meter to compensate the rigidity of the pole. Remember to keep the minimal bending radius of 20 centimeters. APACHE controller connections require SMA 905 connectors. For easy termination, 20 centimeters patch cord pre-terminated with SMA 905 are delivered with the APACHE controller. Make a fusion splicing with the sensor cable. Warning: fiber optic fusion splicing must be realized by a professional technician. Strip the fiber's buffer coatings accurately. Clean the fiber's core from remaining coating particles with special fiber cleaning wipes and isopropyl alcohol. Cleave the ends of the fiber's core at precisely 90 degrees angle. Brace the fiber's core in the fusion splicing device and start the fusion splicing process. Heat shrink the protective sleeve around the splice. Once the fiber cable is installed on the fence and all splicing are done, it is recommended to test the fiber with an optical attenuation set, or better with an optical time domain reflectometer. For easier testing of the fiber cables, CIAS deliver with the APACHE test software a pre-terminated patch cord set allowing to connect to the SMA 905 termination to the testing unit through standard SC-type connectors.